Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a GMC Sierra. First, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct, as this impacts alignment. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit, depending on your specific headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a precise adjustment. Now, open your hood to get a clear view of the headlight assemblies. You'll need to find the adjustment screws for both vertical and horizontal movement. Typically, one screw is on top for vertical adjustments and another on the side for horizontal adjustments. Identifying these is key before you start turning anything. With your tools ready, it's time to adjust. Turn the vertical screw to move the beam up or down. Then, use the horizontal screw to shift the beam left or right. For optimal visibility and to avoid blinding other drivers, aim your low beams so the top edge hits about 2 inches below your marked line on the wall. Make small adjustments for best results. After adjusting, take your truck for a short drive to confirm the headlights are properly aligned and provide even illumination. Also, test your high beams to ensure they are working correctly with the new low beam settings. Remember, proper headlight adjustment is crucial for safety. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals to keep you comfortable on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.